think every CS lead, CSM, CS director, VP of success hears from their board, from their executives, from their managers. I think it's two things. It's the retention of existing customers and revenue expansion. Of course, we still want to keep growing as a company. I think the focus more or less lies more on retaining existing customers because let's be honest, the economy of today, it's not really going great, and people are shifting more to less strict contracts where they have the feeling that they can easily move under from. So we move really, or I that's a trend that I see. A lot of SaaS companies move to a subscription-based model, and not necessarily to longer commitments, I would say. So I definitely need to focus on how I make sure that our customer base stays retained as it is right now based on that subscription model. I would say my game plan is really mapping out and being very data driven. There is nothing, well, there is a lot of nuance to it, but data driven is really, really my key point right now. I wasn't very good in the beginning of my career, like identifying KPIs, identifying metrics, health scores, MPS interpreting, but that is really now very helpful. Like the thing is, we're growing and scaling. I can't handle a book of business of 250 clients, going over them, picking them up one by one, analyzing the features. So I need some, I have something, but you need something like a tool that is really focused on that data driven, on that analytical part where you can build in notifications, where you can really build in those digital touch points towards your clients, but also towards yourself to really already have those red flags, green flags, upsell opportunities, churn risk being flagged to you, which makes it then easier to really work on a digital way, but also makes it easier for you and your team to, one, not be like burned out at the end of the day, but really build out those proactive customer outreach programs, those programs that notify your a client is going to churn, that a customer is ready to upsell. So really, 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 again, really being a data-driven person, analyzing those key feature, those data points, but as well having a tool that really gives you that peace of mind. Because again, in the beginning, we didn't have the tool with Whale, and this really stressed me the bleep out.